Hey y'all, it's been a minute. Back at it again, cooking Sunday dinner. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got the chicken broth for my cabbage, and then some baked beans. My favorite cheese for my macaroni. I'm trying something different, y'all. Look. This aged white cheddar Gouda macaroni and cheese. We're gonna try that today. Got my cabbage. Oh, this ain't nothing but some lunch meat for it. Then we're gonna walk over here. This is my corned beef. I seasoned it. You know, this gonna take the longest. So, hold on, let me get a fork. Well, we're gonna start off with this. I just want to scoop these seasonings. Get them seasonings in the water. Yep, Let that boil. I'll probably add some more water to it. These are the seasonings I use. Parsley flakes, accent, garlic and herb. Where's my bag? Onion powder. No salt, sodium free. Salt alternative. Well, black pepper. Seasoned salt. Just a little bit of that. And brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Yep. That's on the menu for today. All those seasonings. Look at that. Oh, that's the seasoned stem. Okay. We're just going to leave that in there. Yep. Let it cook. And y'all already know I'll show y'all when it's done. So your girl will be back. Bye, my beautifuls.